If you are using Facebook and you are not finding the delete account option after the new update, don't worry, the process has changed a little. In this video, I'll show you the exact updated method step by step. Make sure you watch till the end because one small mistake can stop your account from being deleted. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Here tap on Account Center. After opening Account Center, scroll down and tap on Manage Account. Now if your Facebook account is linked with Instagram, you will see both accounts here. From here, find your Facebook account and tap on the Manage option next to it. After that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now you will see two options, Deactivate Account, Delete Account. Select Delete Account and tap on Continue. Now if you have created any Facebook pages using this account, those pages will be shown here. Simply scroll down and tap on Continue. After that, you must select a reason for deleting your account. Choose any reason and tap on Continue. Now you will see two options. Here you need to select the second option, No Continue with Deletion. After selecting that, scroll all the way down and tap on Continue. Now enter your Facebook password and tap on Continue. That's it. Your Facebook account deletion request is successfully submitted. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Facebook does not delete your account immediately. You get 30 days time. If you log in again within these 30 days, your account will be restored. But if you don't log in for 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and you can't recover it.